How to send an email on Gmail mobile phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch your Gmail application over here on your device and make sure that you're logged into your desired account. After that, here you can see on the home screen the option of compose over here at the bottom right corner. So tap on compose, and as you tap on compose, you will be able to select the person who you want to send an email to. So over here on the to section, you can just mention the other person's email ID over here. So I'm gonna select over here, and then here you just have to mention the subject of the email. So I'm just gonna write as greetings and then compose the mail over here. After that, I'm just going to send it like it. And in order to send the email, what you have to do is tap on the arrow button at the top right corner of the screen, which is the send option. So tap on send, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.